Are you over 40, juggling a full-time job and dreaming of starting an online side hustle, but feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Balancing work, family, and a budding business might seem impossible, but today I'm sharing some very powerful tips to help you launch a successful online side hustle, even if you're busy and starting from scratch. Stay with me because these tips can change your life. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to start with what you know and what you love. Don't overthink your side hustle idea. I recommend that you start with something that you already know or like actually doing. Whether it's consulting, graphic design, or selling crafts, I recommend that you leverage your existing skills, which saves you time and boosts your confidence. For example, if you've spent years in sales, I recommend that you consider a side hustle in coaching sales techniques. This will allow you to capitalize on your expertise while making money on the side. I suggest that you focus on a niche that excites you. If you're passionate, it won't feel like more work after your 9 to 5. For instance, if you like baking, you could consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel, sharing your favourite recipes and your favourite tips. Passion-driven projects are very easy to stick with, especially when time is quite limited. I recommend that you test your ideas before fully committing. I suggest that you offer free consultations, post your designs on social media such as Instagram and TikTok, or run a poll to see what people actually need. This not only validates your idea, but also gives you valuable insights into your audience, helping you to fine-tune your offering right from the start. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to set clear goals and a realistic schedule. Setting clear, achievable goals is key. I recommend that you break down your big vision into small, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to earn $1,000 a month, I recommend that you outline what needs to happen each week to get there, such as creating a product, setting up a website, and marketing it on social media. The next thing I recommend you do is carve out specific times in your week dedicated to your online side hustle. This could be early mornings, lunch breaks, or even the evenings. I recommend that you stick to these time slots regularly as you would a meeting at work. For instance, spending just an hour every weekday can add up to 20 hours a month, which is a very solid start. Remember, it's about consistency, not perfection. You won't always have a perfect day, but even small progress adds up. I also recommend that you use a planner or digital tool like Trello to track your tasks and your deadlines. The clearer your plan is, the easier it is to stay on track even when life gets rather busy. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is to leverage freelancing platforms for a quick start. Freelancing platforms like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com and Freelancer are goldmines for kickstarting your online side hustle with very minimal setup. You can start offering services immediately and tap into a global client base. If you're good at writing, designing, or even consulting, these platforms can provide your first paying customers quite fast. I recommend that you create a standout profile that showcases your skills, your previous work, and the value that you bring. I recommend that you use client testimonials, even if they're from your day job or volunteer work, to help you build some credibility. For example, if you're skilled in project management, you could offer your service to businesses needing help organising their workflow. I recommend you start with competitive pricing to build your portfolio and get those initial reviews. Once you begin to gain some traction, you can gradually increase your rates. I suggest that you treat each project as a chance to learn, improve, and refine your offerings. Freelancing is not just about earning extra cash, it's a great way to test your side hustle ideas in real time. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to automate what you can to save some time. Time is your most valuable asset, so I recommend you look for ways to automate repetitive tasks. I suggest that you use tools like Buffer or Hootsuite for social media scheduling, or automate your email marketing with platforms like ActiveCampaign and MailChimp. This way your content continues to work for you even when you're at your day job or spending time with your family. I also recommend that you consider using templates for proposals, invoices, and emails. For example, if you're freelancing, a set of ready-to-go templates can save you hours every week. You'll spend less time on admin work and more on the activities that actually grow your online side hustle. I recommend that you explore using chatbots or automated customer service tools if you're selling products online. This helps handle inquiries 24/7 without requiring your constant attention. Automation isn't about cutting corners, it's about working smarter and freeing up your time for the tasks that matter most. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to focus on passive income streams. Passive income is your best friend when time is tight. I recommend that you consider options like affiliate marketing, print-on-demand services, or creating digital products such as ebooks or online courses. These avenues allow you to earn money even while you're sleeping or at your day job. For instance, if you have a knack for teaching, creating an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable can be a game changer. It takes some time up front to build, but once it's up, it can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Courses on niche skills like bookkeeping for small businesses or photography basics are in high demand. Another option is to monetize a blog through ads or sponsored posts. By consistently adding highly valuable content, your blog can become a passive income source that continues to pay off long after the work is done. I recommend that you focus on building assets that can keep earning long after your initial effort. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to network smartly in online communities. Networking doesn't have to mean awkward conversations at local meetups. Online communities on LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or Reddit are fantastic places to connect with like-minded individuals. I recommend that you join groups which are relevant to your side hustle and engage in conversations, and don't be afraid to share your expertise and your knowledge. I recommend that you use these platforms not just to learn but also to market yourself subtly. For example, if you're starting a freelancing writing side hustle, I recommend that you contribute valuable insights to writing groups. You can offer advice, answer questions, and share your experiences. Over time, people will start reaching out for your services online. Networking online helps you to build a reputation and find clients without leaving your home. You never know who's watching. A helpful comment on a LinkedIn post could lead to a consulting gig or even a collaboration. The more that you engage, the more opportunities you will create for yourself. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to start small with minimal investment. It's tempting to invest heavily in your online side hustle from the start, but keeping costs low will actually minimize the risk. I recommend that you begin with the essentials: a basic website, a social media profile or two, and low-cost marketing strategies. For example, instead of spending on ads immediately, I recommend that you focus on organic marketing tactics like content creation and SEO. I recommend that you use free or low-cost tools to get started. Canva is great for creating graphics, WordPress is brilliant for a simple website, and Google Workspace is excellent for professional email. You don't need expensive gear or software. Many successful businesses start with just a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. As your side hustle begins to grow, I recommend that you reinvest your earnings wisely. Prioritize spending on things that directly impact your growth, like marketing or upgrading your website. I recommend that you start with lean teaches you to be resourceful and reduces the pressure of needing immediate profits. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to learn as you earn and invest in education. Continually investing in your knowledge is crucial, especially when you're starting after 40. The good news is that there are endless resources online, from free YouTube tutorials to affordable online courses on platforms like Coursera and Skillshare. I recommend that you dedicate time each week to learning something new that directly benefits your online side hustle. For example, if you're selling on Etsy, learn about SEO for product listings to improve your visibility. Or if you're diving into affiliate marketing, I recommend that you take an online course on copywriting to craft compelling ads. Every new skill that you learn becomes a tool that propels your side hustle more forward. I recommend you look at each challenge as a learning opportunity. If you hit a roadblock with tech, marketing, or even time management, I recommend that you search for online resources to guide you through. The more that you learn, the more that you earn, and the faster you will see results. Let me now give you tip number 9, which is to keep your eyes on the prize and stay motivated. There will be days when juggling your full-time job and online side hustle feels like too much. To help you stay motivated, always remind yourself why you got started. Whether it's extra income, financial freedom, or turning a passion into profit, keep that goal front and center. I recommend that you write it down and set reminders or use a vision board. Celebrate small wins along the way. If you've landed your first client or finished your first product, these milestones deserve some recognition. I recommend that you rewarding yourself keeps the momentum going and makes the journey more enjoyable, not just the destination. I also recommend that you find accountability partners, whether it's a friend, a spouse, or an online community. I also suggest that sharing your progress helps to keep you committed. Remember, every big success started with lots of small steps. I also recommend that you stay focused and keep pushing and never underestimate the power of consistent effort. Okay, so there you have it, 9 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.